Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Student, are you hearing me? Just a minute, I am starting. Read this question, everyone. Okay, so start the class. Student, did you do the practice of this example? Everyone, because three things I discussed with you in a previous class. This thing already I discussed with you, three values, right? From here to here, right? This thing, right? Is there any question? Now I am going to discuss with you in detail of this thing, right? Right, now I am going. Try to understand. I am going to start from 17 slide. The remaining slide means from 1 to 16 we will discuss next class. I am going to discuss with you very important slide, that is start from 17th of slide. 17 to 26 slide. Right, now I am going to start. Already I have given you the idea about the EVM. In a previous class already I discussed with you about the EVM, right? Now here you see the meaning is the most important. Don't ignore and just to listen to me. It is the most important question that will come in the midterm exam. EVM means E stand for earned, V stand for value, M stand for management. This is called EVM. EVM means earned value management, right? EVM is a project performance measurement techniques. Performance means what is your plan in my course? Try to understand 100. By this is your plan. The question is how much you get. This is your performance. This is your performance. You have plan 100 by 100, but you get 95. This is your performance. So this is the best technique that is used worldwide in many projects. I will tell you, in many projects, this technique is used to control the cost, that the cost will not exceed. The most important techniques to control the cost, that is called EVM, earned value management. Now I am going to tell you. You know, student, most of the project in the worldwide, you start till the ending of the project, the cost become more. Cost exceed. Most of the project in the worldwide, maybe more than 90%. Suppose I have a budget 100 real. I have a budget 100 real or 100,000 real. I start the work today. Till the completion of the project, try to understand the budget is coming 120. Most of the project are not able to complete whatever they make the budget. The question is this: why? Why it is happening? Question is this: why it is happening? Already I discussed with you in a previous class. Now I am going to tell you in detail how you measure, how you control that the cost will not exceed, how you will control that the cost will not exceed. This is the best techniques. In this technique there are some terms. The term first is called planned value. Already I discussed with you in This is the first. Second one is the earned value, and third one is the actual cost. I am going to tell you. Last time already I discussed with you one thing. I am writing in the chat box BCWS, or you can say PV. This is the first thing. Second thing, BCWP, or you can say EV. Third thing, you can say ACWP, or you can say AC. All are same. Three values are already there. So what is the definition of BCWS and PV? This is the same. So planned value, formerly called the budget cost of work schedule. It is also known as BCWS, also called the budget. Budget means how much budget you are going to spend on your project. Suppose you are going to make a building, BUILDING, building. You are going to make a villa, or you are going to make a mobile or sayara. The question is how much money cost you will spend on this. Suppose I have spent that 100,000. This is my planning. This is called try to understand. This is called 100 THOUSAND 100,000. This is my planning. Are you getting my point? So now what is the definition of PV or BC? Planned value, formerly called the budget cost work schedule, also called the budget, is the portion of approved total cost estimate planned to spend on an activity during a given period. Suppose I am going to make the given period is 1 year. What? 1 year. Or the given period is 5 days. All days are equal. Already I discussed with you. What is the cost in 5 days? If I spend 100 real per day, so in 5 days, how much it is? 500. How many days? What is the time? What is the cost? 500 cost. 5 days. This is my planning. Right? You start the work. At the end of the 5 days, how much you get? How much you start? When you join my class, that time you make the plan that I will get this marks in the Dr. Usman class. You make a plan in the first day. When I show you the result, you get this marks. What is this? What is this? This is called earned. What you get, that is called earned. Formerly called the budget cost work performed, means how much work has been done, is an estimate that the value of physically work actually completed. How much actually you get it? Your plan is 100, but how much you get it? 96. Clear or not clear? Student, this clear or not clear? Right? Now I am going to the third value. I am going to tell you the third. So first one is the plan, how much you have planned. Second one, how much you get. And the third one, I am going to tell you very important definition. Actual cost is coming how much to achieve the earned value is called formally, it called actual cost AC work performed. That is called ACWP, is the total direct and indirect cost incurred to complete, achieve work on an given activity, during a given period. This is called actual cost. If you know these three values, then you can move to the next step. I am going to tell you some more formulas. So the first thing is what? Planned value. How much plan you are, what is the budget, how much you have the money to spend on the activity, to spend the villa or house or whatever, right? But at the end, how much you achieve, this is the question. Already I discussed with you in a previous class. There is a task, that task you are going to complete in 5 days with the cost of 500, right or not? But at the end you see that only 2 days or 3 days work is completed. So in this case, how many days work is remaining? 2 days. So now the question, 5 days over, but 3-day work is completed, 2 days is remaining. So how much extra cost and time you will take to complete the remaining 2 days work? Is clear or not clear? Student, is clear? Yes. Okay, now I am going to tell you, if you know these three value, number one value is called PV, number two AC, number three earned value, REV. You can say the same thing, PV and VCW is the same, AC and ACW is the same, EV and BCWP is the same. You can call anything. Now I'm going to the next. Try to understand the most important topic. Now I am going. If student, you know PV, comma EV, comma AC, if you know these three value, suppose, then you can calculate the cost variance. This is the fourth formula. This is the fifth formula. This is the sixth formula and seventh formula. I will. What is the cost variance? How much cost will be zyada? Cost variance, or you can say CV is equal to cost variance CV EV minus AC. Suppose PV is equal to 500, EV is equal to 300, AC is equal to 400. Can you tell me what is the cost variance? CV is equal to how much? EV is equal to 300 minus 400. What is the value? Minus. Clear or not clear? Okay, Bilal. Now I am going to the definition we'll discuss later. Now you just try to understand the formula. Schedule variance. Schedule variance SV. SV is equal to EV minus PV. What is the value of this, student? EV 300 minus 500 is equal to how much? Minus. Clear or not clear, Bilal? Right? Fifth. Now I am going to discuss with you the remaining. Now cost variance formula. This is the formula. Schedule variance formula. Now I am going to discuss with you the cost performance index. What is this? I will discuss with you later. The formula of CPI is equal to EV upon AC. EV upon AC. What is the EV by 300 divided by AC? How much, student? 400. So what is the value? 3 by 4. How much? 0.75. 0.75. Very good. Right. Now this is the first formula. This is the second formula. This one is the third formula. Now you see next one is called schedule performance index. Schedule performance index is EV upon PV. What is the value of EV, student? 300 divided by student. What is the value of PV? 500. Very good. Mashallah, smart boy. Bilal. Then 20 cancel. 3 by 5 is how much? 0.6. Very good. There are 4 formulas are there. I will discuss with you some more formula. Now I am going to move in the questions. Now I am going to discuss with you the question. Student, please attend the lecture sincerely. This is the most important lecture. This question I will ask you in the midterm exam. Don't ignore this. Don't ignore. Okay. Now I am going to discuss with you. This question is clear. First you tell me, this problem is clear to you or not? Just read one time, everyone. Just start reading. Immediate, fast. I am giving you 1 minute. Read this question. In this question, he is saying you are going to develop a software or task that will complete in how many days? 5 days. Each 5 days are equal. Means first day is equal to second, third, fourth, 5. All day are equal. 5-day task is scheduled to cost of how much? In 1 day, how much you invest? 100 riyal. Second day, 100 riyal. Third day, 100 riyal. 4 day, 100 riyal. 5th day. At the end of the 5 day, when the 5 day is over, you determine that only 3-day task is completed. Can you tell me how many days work is remaining? Only Bilal is saying, only Bilal. Abdullah Khalid also. Right? Marwan is good. right? Abdul Rahim, yes. Now 2 days work is remaining, right? So now my question, how much extra cost and time you will take to complete? 5 days over, 5 days finish, right? This thing I am going to calculate it now. Try to understand. What is your planned budget? How much you are going to invest the money? 500. How much work has been done, student? 3 days, that is 300, right? What is the actual cost coming? That is 400. If you know these three value, if you know these three value, if you know, you can calculate everything. How you can calculate it? Because what is the CV? Cost variance is equal to EV minus AC. EV is how much? 300 minus 400. What is the value? Is minus, right? Okay. Now what is the schedule per variance? Schedule variance is equal to SV is equal to EV minus PV. EV is equal to 300 minus 500. What is the value of schedule performance? Schedule value, schedule variance? Minus 200. Okay. What is the cost performance index, CPI? What is the CPI? CPI is equal to, try to EV upon AC. 300 divided by 400. What is the value of cost performance? 0.75. What is the schedule performance index? Schedule performance index is equal to what? SPI. SPI is equal to EV upon PV. 300 by 500. That is 0.6. Clear or not clear? Up to here everything clear? Because I am going to discuss with you very important. Now this portion is remaining. I am going to discuss with you this portion. This is the most important portion. If you know these seven value means this is the first, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7. If you know these three value, you can calculate how much extra time and cost you will take to complete whole project, right? Clear or not clear? Now I am going to show you some more thing. Okay, try to understand. Student, see this. See this question, see this thing. Don't see the first one, don't see. Cut it. You start from here. Cost variance is clear or not clear? Tell me. Schedule variance is clear or not clear? Cost performance is clear or not clear? Schedule performance index is clear or not clear? Right? Now, okay, no, leave it. Forget it. Now you see the most important item. That is this item. I am doing to this. What is the estimate at completion? Means 3-day work is completed, 2 days remaining. So how much time or how much cost you will take to complete and remaining 2 days work? My question is this: how much cost? 3-day work is completed in 5 days. So how much cost? So what is the formula? That is called EAC is equal to BAC divided by CPI. BAC means what is your planned budget? 500 divided by CPI is equal to how much? 0.75. Now I am going to show you. Just wait. I am showing you in the question. Now you see. At a current rate, what is the? Here you see the cost. Here BAC is the planned. How much planned budget? That is 500. What is CPI? This is I. Sorry, I forgot to it. This is I. CPI is equal to 0.75. When you divide, the value is coming 666.66. The decimal means it is in the halala. So don't take the halala, you take round figure value, that is 667 real. Can you tell me how much extra money you need to complete the remaining 2 days work? Student, can you tell me? 160, 100% Saud, mashallah. Your riyadiyat is quiz. Riyadiyat is riyaziyat is quiz. Mathematics is very good. Immediately 667 minus 500. 167 real extra need to complete remaining 2 days work. Try to understand. 167 real extra you need to complete the remaining 2 days work. How many days work is completed? 3 days. How many days work is remaining? 2 days. You need 100 and total cost is how much, student? Total cost is equal to how much? 600, right? Yes, Bilal, yes. Yes, any question, Bilal? Yes, we use 400 real. I will tell you. Real, 400 real is the 400 real should not be no, not 400. No, that is the actual cost is coming during the 5 days. I am calculating in 5 days. Actual cost, that is the actual cost. So I will calculate the planned values, not from the here. What is my planned value? Because the ratio of the percentage is coming on behalf of the 5 day and 500, not on the 4. Right? Clear? I will explain you. Don't worry about it. I will explain you again. Right? So the formula is BAC. Now again I am going to show you formula. I am going through the formula. Now here saying estimate at completion. Just wait. I am showing you in detail. Just wait. Give me 1 minute. Yes. Try to understand. What is BAC? BAC is a budget at completion or the planned budget. What is the planned budget? How much planned budget? 5 day. Right? BAC. EAC is equal to estimate at completion. What is the total expected cost? EAC. EAC I am writing here. Try to understand. EAC is equal to 667. Now I am going 667. Now I am going to calculate ETC. Estimate at complete forecasted time. That is called ETC is equal to, what is the formula of ETC, student? I am going to show you in the next. What is the ETC? ETC, this is the ETC, estimate completion. That is the original time. Can you tell me what is the original time? Divided by SPI. Original time, very good, clear. The original time divided by SPI. Now I am again showing you this. The original BAC, sorry, original time here you can see what is 5 days divided by 0.6, that is 8.83 days. Right? There is no 8.83 days. Days is always full or HALF half. Days is never like nobody called the Ruba day. Anyone is called the Ruba day? No Ruba, no quarter. The day is always full. So what I will do? I will take 8 point. I will take how much? Are you getting my point, student? This thing I will take how much? Extra time how much? Okay, tell me extra time. So 8.5 minus 5. How much is equal to 3.5? You need 3.5 days. Just a minute. Do you need 3.5 days to complete remaining 2 days work? You need 3.5 days to complete the remaining 2 days work. How many days work is remaining? 3 day work is completed. 2 days work is remaining. To complete remaining 2 days work, you need 3.nus days. Is clear or not clear? Now I am telling you. From 500, you need 667. This is the cost. And time is equal to 5 days to it comes 8.5. Both the thing is increase or not increase? Both the thing, cost and time is increase or not? Why it is increase? Why? Question is why. Already I have given you one example. Suppose you have a office, 3 days only work is completed. Why? Right? Understand? Now I am going to show you the, okay, one more thing, delay on work. Now the question is why delay? Because 5 programmer is working in your office. How many programmer is working in your office? 5. And 5 day, how many programmer will work? 25. One day 5 programmer come, second day only 2 programmer come, third day only 1 come, 4 day 4 come, fifth day all come. The programmer in 5 day absent ghayab. That is why the work is delay. Am I right or not? If all programmer is coming in 5 day 5, then work will complete 5 day work in 5 day. The 5 day work is not completed. Why? The question is this, why? Right? Yeah. Now read this question. Can you solve this problem, student? Can you solve this problem? Right? This is the home assignment. You do the practice at your home. I am telling you the value. What is the planned budget? 500. What is the work has been done 2 days? How much it is? How much is it? 200. Very good. What is the actual cost? What is the actual cost? That's enough. That's it. You can complete it. Can you calculate the cost variance? Can you calculate the cost performance index? Can you calculate the schedule? Can you calculate this? Can you calculate the ETC? Can you calculate the EAC? Can you calculate it or not? Yes, very good. Simple. Do the practice at your home, and the next time in beginning of the class you can clear your doubt if any. If you have any question, so you can, but try to solve your, don't see this example, don't see this example. First you read this question, is the most important question. First you read this question, right, and solve yourself. Then if you have any doubt, then you check it. Again you move to the next question, you solve this question, the same question, right? Now I am going to discuss with you the most important question. Student, read this question, read this question. I am giving you 2 minutes. Just you read. I am taking 2 minutes to drink the water. Just give me 2 minutes. Yes, student. Question clear or not clear? If not clear, I am going to tell you. Don't worry about it. I am going to tell you. I am taking example of FCIT. You know FCIT? Faculty of Computing and Information Technology. You are the student. Am I right? You are going, there is a lab 1. I am taking a lab 1 example. In the lab 1, you are going to install 10 printer. How many printer? 10 printer. How many printer? Try to understand. 10 printer. How many weeks, student? 10 weeks. With the cost of 100 Riyal. Clear or not clear? Is clear or not clear? Ten printer, 10 weeks, 100 Riyal. So one printer is equal to 1 week with the cost of 10 Riyal. Clear or not clear? Oh, sorry, not 10. Not one. By mistake, I write it. Again, I am writing. Just wait. This is not 10. This one. Yes, sir, I'm right. 10 real. It's correct. Yeah. Yes, sorry. One printer, 1 week and 10 real. Clear or not clear? Right? EVM, earned value management. Now you visit and check in 5 weeks. Just you check how many printer installed in the lab. You see that only 4 printer is installed. How many printer is installed? Only 4 printer, right? Clear or not clear? The question is clear. 10 printer, 10 weeks with the cost of 100. So one printer, 1 week with the cost of 10 real. At the end of the 5 week, you finish only 4 printer. You finish only 4 printer. Right or not? Clear or not clear, student? Right? In 4 week, the university is open and the lab is open. The Muqayyaf was working there. Everything was set. Right? But the return is only 4 printer. Right? So now try to understand. In 5 week is equal to 4 printer. So can you tell me in 10 weeks how many printers? In 10 weeks how many printer, student? 8 printer. Very good. Very good. Time is over. 10 weeks. There is a 10 weeks. Time is over. So how many printer is remaining, student? How many printers remain? 2. Right? 10 week is over. Can you tell me what is the extra cost and time you will take? Extra cost and time you will take to complete it. Now the value of PV is equal to how much, student? What is the planned value? 10 printer with the cost of 10. 10 multiplied by 10 is equal to how much? What is your plan? What is your planned value? Clear or not clear? What is the plan? PV or BCWP is the same is equal to how much? My plan is to spend this 100. Right? 10 weeks. 10 weeks is over. What is the Nataj or output? EV. How much work has been done? How many printer has been done? 8. What is the cost of per printer? 10. How much this? How much this? 10 multiplied by, right? Clear or not clear? Add the with the printer, and the actual cost is 47.5 in 5 weeks. So in 10 weeks, how much this? In 10 weeks, what is this? What will be the value in 10? Very good. In 10 weeks, 47 multiplied by 2, that is 95. If you know these 3 values, you can calculate everything. You can calculate everything. Now try to understand. I am going to tell you this. I am using this. Now, however, CV cost variance is equal to EV minus AC. EV is equal to how much, student? 80 minus 95. What is the value? Is minus 15. Clear or not clear? Okay. Can you tell me what is the schedule variance? Schedule variance is equal to EV minus PV. 80 minus 100. What is the schedule variance is equal to, student? This value? To minus 20. Is clear or not clear? Okay. What is the cost performance index? That is 0.8422. CP is equal to EV upon AC. EV is 80 divided by 90. 80 divided by 95. The value will come 0.84. 0.84 are multiplied by 100 in the percent, 84.22. SPI is equal to, what is the value of SPI? Here, just a minute. I am using red one. SPI is equal to EV upon P. 80 divided by 100. That is 0.8. Clear or not clear? If you know these all things, if you know these three things and you calculate these four things, then you can calculate the ESC. ESC is equal to planned budget divided by CPI. My planned budget is 100 real divided by this, value is this, multiplied by this, the value is coming 188, 118.7. I will not take the halala, I will take 119. What is my planned budget? What is the real cost is coming? Total cost. What is the total cost is? So yes, absolutely true. What is the extra cost is coming to complete two printer? To install remaining two printer, you need extra 19 real. Clear or not clear? How much you need? 19 real. Clear? Right? Cost is done. Cost is done. Cost coming from this to this. Cost is increased from 100 to 119. 19 real is zyada. Right? Now how much time you need to extra student? The question is this. What is the formula of the time? ETC. ETC is equal to original time. Original time is 5 divided by what is the SPI? SPI is 0.8. Here I am writing in the chat box. What is the original? Oh, sorry. 10 days. Sorry, I think my mind is diverted today somewhere. Sorry. I 8 10 divided by 0.8, that is 12.5, right? 12 point. Here you write what? Sorry, again I am writing 5. This is a 10 ashra divided by what is this? Point. SPI is equal to how much? 0.8. 0.8, right? Clear? What is the value coming? 12.5. Can you tell me how much extra days you need to complete? 2 days, 2 printer. And total time, how much? 12.5. And the original time, student, 10. Original time is 10 week. But the real time is coming 12.5. 2.5 is zyada. The same in cost. Original cost is 100, but the cost is coming 119. Why? Because the work is not completed. Is clear, everyone? Please. Maybe some students do not understand. So I am giving you time. Please revise this thing immediately. Then I will discuss with you another slide, another topic. Read this thing. Take 2 minutes. Yes, please. Yes. Clear, student? Okay, I am calling the name. Yes, I am calling some names. Muhammad Hassan Baghdadi. Muhammad Hassan Baghdadi. Muhammad Hassan. Yes, Muhammad Hassan. Everything is clear or not clear? Tell me frankly. If you have any doubt, immediately ask me. Faisal Muhammad. Fahad Jaman. Fahad Jaman. Yes. Is clear, everyone? In the midterm exam, you will get this type of question. You will get this type of question in the midterm exam. That is why I'm telling you. So what you do, please do solve this problem. Again, I'm going to tell you, do this, right? Do this. Do this. right? So I am going to start from 17th slide. This is the formula, most important. When you do the practice, student, automatically the formula will memorize automatically. The most important thing is practice. It is a no homework, nothing. There is no homework, no assignment, no burden, no tension. You can do it. If you want good marks, you do it. If you don't want good marks, no need. You want good marks or not, right? If you want good marks, do the practice, right? So I will suggest to you, please do get full marks, get this marks, even don't miss a single marks, right? So that is why I'm telling you, do the practice. No need to memorize. When you do the practice, automatically, inshallah, you will memorize the formula. Okay, one more thing I am going to tell you. Rule of the thumb of earned value, inshallah. You know, sometimes the value is coming like this, minus. What is this type of value is indicate what? If the value is coming in the minus, so what do you understand by this? Minus is a good or not good? This thing I am going to tell you. Negative number of the cost. Negative is always bad. I'm right or not? Negative is always, negative mentality, negative thing is always bad, right? So negative number is also very bad. So negative for the cost and schedule variance indicate what? Indicate problem, mushkil. So CPI or SPI is the less than 100 indicate the problems. Now I am going to tell you. Problem means, what is the problem? Now the question is problem, so what is the problem? So here problem means the project, try to understand, is the most important line. Costing more than planned budget means my planned budget is 100 real, but the cost is coming 119. Problem means the cost 100 real are coming 119. So 19 is zyada, so costing more than that is called, absolutely true, Bilal, that is called over budget, means zyada money, you need zyada rakam, over budget. Now this is the cost. Now I am going to tell you the schedule taking longer than planned. What is my plan? 10 weeks, but the plan is coming 12.1, behind the schedule. More budget, over budget, and behind the schedule. Schedule behind. Right? Now I am going to tell you some more definition. You will understand, inshallah. Now try to understand. Student, I am going to tell you cost variance. Cost variance indicate how much the project is over or under budget. How much project is over or under budget. This is the cost variance. Variance means, you know, what is the harara today? Harara, al-yawm, maybe 25 degree. After 3 or 4 months, what will be the harara? Am I right or not? 48 degree, 40, 48, 45. Maybe, Marwan, you are right. Maybe 50, right? So is there any variance from now till the June and July, August? Yes, variance. This is called. So the same, what is the cost variance? Zyada, you can calculate here. Means if there is a cost variance, cost maybe is over or maybe it is under budget. Schedule variance indicate how much ahead or behind the schedule. How much ahead or behind the schedule. Right? Cost performance index is the most important. Try to understand. Is the ratio of earned value, this is earned value, to the actual cost. It is used to complete the project cost of completion. Try to understand, the red line is the most important. If CPI is equal to 1, if CPI is equal to 1, so the plan and actual cost are equal. Plan and actual cost is equal. If the CPI is less than 1, then the project is over budget. If the CPI is greater than 1, then the project is under budget. That's try to understand, student. Read this definition. This is related to the cost, money, real. CPI is equal to 1 means plan and actual is 5-day work complete in 5 days. No need extra money. If CPI is less than 1, then the project is over budget. If this CPI is greater than 1, then the project is under budget. Right? Right? Now, extra cost. Now, schedule performance index. The ratio earned value and planned means EV divided by PV. It is called the estimate of projection, how much time you will take to complete the project. Extra. If try to understand, this line is the most important. If SPI, schedule performance index, is equal to 1, then planned and actual time are equal. Means khamsa yom is equal to khamsa yom. 5 days is equal to 5 days. If SPI is less than 1, if schedule performance index is less than 1, the project is behind the schedule. If CPI is greater than 1, then the project is ahead the schedule. Is clear or not clear? Student? Right? And now here you see there are some definition. BSE, ESE is the most important. These two is the most important. You can calculate the total cost, you can calculate the total time using this formula. So I am going to discuss with you again. What is this rate performance index? Next time I will discuss with you. So you understand from where you will start. You will do the practice from 17 slide, from this slide. This is the most important techniques, right? Then you move to the, these is the most important, please. 17 to 26, read this slide, is the most important. Maybe examination I ask you, is the portion of the approved total cost estimate planned to spend on an activity during a given period. This is the definition belongs to EV, AC, PV or EVM. Which one is the correct? Right? Okay, no, you understand. Now I am going to tell you this next time I will discuss with you next class, inshallah. Now, this all are important, very important. Read this thing. Read this thing, very important. This read things. I'm sure you understand this. This formula, when you do the practice, automatically the formula will memorize automatically. Right? Do this, very important. Solve this problem and then solve this problem. That's it. It's enough. So next class, inshallah, I expect you very good result. Right? So doctor, can you upload the slide? Yes, inshallah, immediately I will upload. Can I share you on the WhatsApp? WH WhatsApp. Can I share you on the WhatsApp now? I will share with you this file, right? Yes, it's fine. I will share with you on the WhatsApp. This file I will share. Just a minute. I will wait. I'm sharing with you. Give me 1 minute. I'm sharing with you now. Your section is H. What is that? Just a minute. Yes, HP. Yes. Okay. Just give me 1 minute. Inshallah, I'm doing. WhatsApp. Sorry. Okay. Inshallah, I will send you after 1 minute. My lecture will over, then I will share with you today, inshallah. Don't worry about it. So do this. This is very important, everyone. Solve this problem, and then inshallah, in the next class, I will discuss with you the remaining portion of the cost management. And already I tell you that scope, time, and cost is the most important. Scope, time, and cost is the most important, right? So this HP section, just a minute, give me 1 minute. I'm sharing with you right now. Now this file, this is the cost management. Check everyone. Done. Done. Right? Because here I do some changes, right? Everyone get it? Okay, most welcome. Solve this problem, right? Okay, everyone. So the remaining slide, inshallah, we will discuss in the next class. Our cost management will complete in the next class, inshallah. Next class. Still, I don't know. Actually, I am waiting for the higher authorities' response. Once I get any update, immediately I will inform. I will share with you in the WhatsApp. I cannot. I'm waiting. I am the same for you. I don't have any idea. Still, I'm waiting. Maybe online or offline, or this or that. Whatever I receive the information immediately. I will share with you. Right? Okay. Midterm it is. I think I'm telling you. It is from the after 1 minute. I'm telling you. Midterm. Just I'm taking the date after 8 weeks. 8 week will finish in 11th of March next month. So it will be start from the 14th of March. I think 14th of March. 14th of MARC. 14th of March. The our exam will be 7th March. Inshallah. How maybe, but our course will complete. Our course will complete. Don't worry about it. Our course will complete in the next time. Next class schedule is postponed. Schedule is postponed. Okay, no problem. Very good. 7th. Our course will complete. Alhamdulillah, midterm exam course is completed. Next lecture is the last lecture for the midterm exam. Then I will discuss with you the final exam, inshallah. Final exam chapter, right? Okay, all the best. Take care. See you next class, inshallah.